Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting the tools. Open App Store, install a recorder that captures system sound or uses internal routing. Once installed, add screen recording to Control Center and grant microphone access. This lets you capture both internal audio and optional mic input. Make sure your iPhone is updated and on stable Wi-Fi, then close unused apps so no notifications interrupt audio. Set device volume and lock orientation if needed. Now open YouTube and cue the video. You're ready for the recording action. With the video cued, swipe to Control Center and long press the screen record icon. Pick the app or microphone source if options appear. Start the YouTube playback first, then tap record so you don't miss intro audio. If your recorder offers internal audio capture, choose it. Otherwise, enable microphone for ambient capture. Be aware this mixes room noise. Use airplane mode to prevent interruptions and watch the status bar to confirm recording. Make short test clips to verify levels before committing to long videos. When finished, stop recording from Control Center and check the saved file in Photos or the recorder's library. This verifies the full capture. Import the clip into iMovie or GarageBand to trim, normalize, and export just the audio as M4A or WAV. Make sure to listen through headphones and adjust gain or apply noise reduction if needed. If the file is missing audio or is corrupted, retry with microphone only or a different recorder app, and test short samples until settings reliably produce clean sound.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.